welcome back to Framson Forge YouTube. Today I'm going to show you a bit on our plasma machine that I built, a little plasma cutter, and I'm going to make backs for ST range motor guards. So if you come through here, look, I'll show you the hammers. So when we mod the hammers, when they come in, I put a motor guard on the back to protect the motors, which we cut out on our CNC machine. I brought a CNC machine, it was terrible. It had no height control on it, it was made badly. So being a blacksmith, if one person made it, another one can make it and copy it. So what we done is, I made my own machine, and I'll go through and I'll show you. It gives us a really nice cut. A machine of the size that we made costs around £30,000, and I made it for £6,000, and we got all the bits from CNC for you, and I brought the best stuff that we could get. So come and have a look. In a minute we'll show you the machine cutting, but I designed it all with a water table on it so that all the fumes go into the water table. I've got on torch extraction, which is not connected, we've just put it there out of the way for the moment. I've also got extraction in the building which goes through, sucks it through the back, and then there is a filter system where it will take any metal particles out. It's really important when you use them. When the lass works them, I've got an air-fed mask. So it's fully filtered air. You shouldn't breathe in any of the oxide off of the machine, it's really bad for you. But that's the same filter system as we use for sandblasting. Now the head I designed so when the access point comes, if it hits, we've put micro switches on, there's magnets that hold it on. So I've got niobium magnets on there which are really strong. I've done this years ago, now they're all the fad now. And then if the torch head actually fouls, it snaps the torch off, it'll pull it off the magnets without breaking the torch, and the sensor switch on here just shuts the machine down. I've got the best quality runners on the side that CNC for you done, and all their drive motors. And then this top is off of a router system, so I can actually put a table on top of here and I can use it as a wood router. Now I had somebody help me, as a great guy, do the wiring, and all the wiring is in this cabinet. So all the drivers are in the cabinet, away from any dust. And all we do, you'll see in a minute, is we plug the laptop into it and away it goes. Now the actual cutting machine is in here. So I've got a Hypertherm PowerMax 1250. I've got a 1650 there, and I just changed the unit, and I can cut up to 3/4 of an inch thick and then down to as thin as we like. I've got a spare torch that hangs up in the roof. I've got a PowerMax 45, which if we do loads of really fine work, we put a tiny torch on. But most of our work is 10mm, 12mm, maximum probably 16mm. But it's only when I want really big plate I'll change that one over. The cut on it is superb really for what it is. So if I take a piece out, we used to run on Mac 3 program, but we now use UNCC, which I really liked. It was a much better program really for what's suited for what we do. But we still have sheet cam that we do our programs in, but the machine is UNCC it runs on. So if you have a look in a minute, we'll set it up and I'll show you these being cut out. Right, this is another little thing we put in because I'm lifting 10mm sheet and it's quite heavy when the door's open. I've got a plate magnet and then this tracking we put in so I can pick a sheet up and I can swing it around on the table. So I ain't got to rely on the forklift and then I can just swing it around on the track and then put the stuff on the table and then pick it up. So these are great, these are. This lifts over half a tonne. Yeah, don't hit yourself in the mush with the chain. Not a good idea. Right, well I hope you enjoyed that. We'll be back again with some more films. I'm just going to play with the magnet on. No chance.